Hello friends, in this video I would like to tell about how to use your teams which are present in mteams. So you might be facing some kind of a situation where there is a class scheduled and yet you can't find it in your calendar. So for that, let us try to understand how to organize our teams. For that, you should go to the Teams tab present in the mteams. Here you will find all the teams which you are added and which you are a part of the team. All these teams which I am a part of, so I am able to see here. Since there are many teams, so it becomes confusing sometimes to know which team is scheduled class at what time when it is not reflecting in the calendar. For that purpose, we should hide the teams which are not required or which are not being used frequently, and we can only keep the teams which are in the current trimester or which are being frequently used. So say business analytics, I don't need this one right now, so I'll just click on this three dots and I'll click on hide. So similarly, we can hide all the teams which are not required as of now and keep only the teams which we require. And suppose if I want competency management, I'll click on this thing and show, and it will appear in the teams. These are my hidden teams. All the teams which I have kept as hidden will appear here, and then I can minimize this. So this is simple and clean to see what all teams are there in the current trimester and then follow up. Suppose I don't want to see this, again click on this and then click on hide. So whatever done in desktop in your account will reflect in your mobile also, nothing to worry of it. So it's good practice to keep only the current trimester teams in your current teams and then hide all the remaining teams which are not frequently being used. This is the team's icon and the team name is given here. So whenever you see the name of the team is in bold, for example, you see this team PGDM Marketing and HRM 2022 to 2022. Compared to these three font names, this font is bold. That means this team is having a notification which you need to see. It might be a recording saved, or it might be a chat, it might be a like button, or someone has reacted to someone's post. Whatever it might be, if there is something which you haven't seen in that team, this indicates the bold font. So by that we can conclude that if there is any notification in that team, it will be in highlighted. So this is it. This is just to convey how to hide the teams which are not required and then put the teams which are required on the top. Thank you.